Hello friends, let's discuss Java 5 features. Enhanced for loop is also known as for each loop and advanced for loop. Why this Java 5 introduced advanced for loop? To achieving two things, Java 5 introduced advanced for loop. So what are those two things? The first thing is to reduce the complexity of coding while retrieving the elements from arrays and collections. If you want to retrieve the elements from arrays and collections, what you have to do before Java 5? You have to write the normal for loop. Inside the for loop, you have to provide some initialization, then condition, and increment or decrement. So, how many times the condition got satisfied, the loop will be iterated those many number of times. When the condition got failed, so the loop will be terminated or the loop will be skipped from the execution. This advanced for loop will provide the a lot of flexibility to the developer so that he no need to declare or initialize the variable, he no need to put any condition, and he no need to provide the increment or decrement. Directly it will provide the facility to retrieve the elements from collections and arrays. The second thing is to retrieve the elements in non-index based manner. So we can retrieve the elements from indexed based collections as well as non-index based collections. For example, list is a index based collection, set is a non-index based collection. Generally, if you want to retrieve the elements from set before JDK 1.5, you must use the cursors concept. But here the advanced for loop will provide the facility to retrieve the elements from index based collections as well as non-index based collections. You no need to go for cursors concept. Here it is the syntax for enhanced for loop. For object obj colon, here we can provide either collection reference or array reference. So for each and every iteration, one element will be copied into this object reference so that inside the for loop we can access the object reference. Friends, let's see programmatically on Eclipse. So in Eclipse, on existing project, I am creating a Java program, example 1. Here I am taking main method for running this program. Here I am taking a list L equal to new array list. Control Shift O means it will be imported. So java.util.list can be imported. And here I am adding some elements into the list. L.add of some ABC string object, L.add of XYZ. So two objects I added into this list, and by using this normal for loop, how we can retrieve the elements? Int I equal to 0, some variable declaration and initialization, condition, how many times it need to be iterated. So two elements are there, so 2 times it need to be iterated. So I less than L dot the correction dot size I plus plus. So here sys out L dot get of I. So based on the index I am retrieving the elements. So let's run and see the output. So this is the output. ABC XYZ got retrieved and printed on the console. So let's see by using advanced for loop. Object obj colon L. So here we can retrieve the elements from either collections or arrays. Directly sysout, we can print the object, that's it. So let's run and see the output. So the first output is because of normal for loop, the second output for because of this advanced for loop.